Do you ever feel like your photography doesn't look quite good enough? Here's a simple hack to getting better photography in a matter of seconds. Let's dive right in. Okay, so this is part 2 to getting better photography in seconds. And I think this is an extremely good method. I actually came across this method. I went to drop a photo into a program called Luminar, and I think I accidentally put it in Aurora HDR. And Aurora HDR can take a single photo and enhance it, make it look more HDR. And so it ended up enhancing this photo, and it made a huge difference to how the photo looked. And it's extremely easy. It takes just a couple seconds to do, and all you have to do is drop it in. There's this wheel right here. You could do chromatic abbreviation reduction. I'm not using any RAW files, I'm just using JPEG. So you select that, and then you select Create HDR. It doesn't take that long. It enhances the light, so like darker areas, it'll make them brighter areas, it'll kind of balance them out so they're not blown out. And it just kind of amazed me, just dropping it in this program, not having to spend any time editing, not doing anything, just simply drag and drop in this program, and it will enhance it greatly. So it improves color, dynamic range. And then here's the end of it. It'll be loading up any second now. All right, this is a photo that was taken, I think I had my cousin take it of me while we were at my sister's wedding. And it's not perfectly focused or anything, so you know it cuts off my foot. So it's just going to show, like, any photography, you could throw it in here and you can make it better. So here's what this photo looked like before. Kind of a lack of detail. My suit, you could hardly see any detail in it. Probably wasn't the right exposure. I don't think I had the camera on automatic. I think I had it all set on manual, so you know, I probably should have had it on automatic for my cousin to take it. So if you could see the difference in the suit here and how drastically different it looks. You can't see any of the lines or any of the detail hardly. But whenever you take that and you drop it in, it makes a remarkable difference, and it takes no time at all. All right, now we're gonna go on to the second one, and let's see one that I really liked. I liked this one, how it took and enhanced it. This is the same one I used in the last one for the photo lemur. One that my uncle took in New Mexico. So we just did a portrait, and it did a decent job enhancing that. Now this one is landscape. We'll let it improve it. It's going through it rather quick. There we go. It's processing the image now. And there's before, and there's an after. Before and after. So it does a similar job to Photo Lemur, except I think it adds a little bit more detail in the clouds and stuff. Now, one thing that I would like to show here is there's HDR looks collections. So I can just take this and say it's a landscape, and say I want it to be brighter. So I could choose that, boom. I'll instantly get a brighter look. Or how about enhanced? So this is also, you know, you drop it in, you could just grab a look and see how it does. Now, something that I've kind of found is, even though these are like landscape ones, I don't know if these came with it or what, but sometimes you can select different ones that are kind of random, and you can end up finding like some pretty cool looks with them. This one's called high detail, so I mean, it kind of kind of blows out the color a little bit. So you could take that back. Let's let it process first. Okay, so now in this one you can see that the photo, it has a lot more detail in it. All right, it's processing again. Sorry about that. All right, so now in this one you can see there's a lot more detail in it. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this one, and then we're going to try, how about this flower here? I think I like how this one came out. Here's the one that I'm starting with, turn on chromatic abbreviation. Now let's start it. We'll let that run through. Now let's see what collection was I using. Okay, it's improving colors, making final touches. All right, there we go. So here's a before. It's just like, to me, there's just a lack of detail in a lot of photos. And whenever you drop them into this, like with this photo, that it just brings flower photography to life. Okay, so let me go to the landscapes. I'm not sure if it was landscape. Yeah, okay, so let's choose better sunrise, and we'll see how this affects the photo. So now we end up with this look, just extremely vibrant. Now, if you find that you don't like the way that some of these things stand out, they have this right here. It's called HSL. It's hue, saturation, and luminance. So what you could do is just take this green, drag that down just a little bit, make that green look a little more natural, not so drastic, and then you kind of fix that. So that, it didn't take very long at all, and I think it brought out a lot of detail and a lot of color and life in this photo. I'm gonna do one more. Let's choose landscape. These are some that my uncle just sent me today from New Mexico, and let's take this one and see what it can do. All right, let's choose this. Go here, chromatic abbreviation, and we'll process it. All right, so now we'll look at the before and after. Now the sky looks pretty awesome. Brings out a lot of color, vibrancy in the landscape. So on this one, how about we choose better skies? It might be a little bit much, but it doesn't. Yeah, it's a bit much. So we'll just take that off. But before and after, and I mean, you're just throwing it in a program and just letting it work its magic. You're not doing anything. This program works pretty good on landscape. You've seen what it did in the portrait. Didn't take long at all. So let's end this right there. I hope that you took something from this, that sometimes if you don't have time to edit but you want your photos to look a little bit better, there's two programs right there. All you do is drag and drop, bam, and you have something better. You could throw it up. You don't have to know how to edit. you can learn that as you go over time, learn tricks and everything, and it doesn't take that long. Sometimes you can make your photography better in seconds, just like the title says. So thank you for watching, and have a good one.